I'm approaching on laws.
Okay.
Is the last name. He's on bond.
Okay.
He has a BVR, but can we hear PC on this one?
Sure.
All right, who's this?
You don't think there's PC?
Laws.
No.
Yes.
You don't think there's PC?
I don't.
In this courtroom, it's not about what probably happened. It's about what can be proven on paper. One missing detail, one sworn statement, and an entire case hangs in the balance.
Looking at the DIMS, but reasonable minds can disagree, Judge.
Have we done PC on this before?
I don't know. This is an older case and I just got appointed on it last month. So.
Did you already approach on PC on this?
I have not.
Don't worry about
And
it.
I'll just be honest, Judge, I had assumed because of the age of the case that PC had been done. But,
Of course it has been,
right.
but there's a new set of eyes, you know? Okay, ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, just reading through it. 2021 case. On October 5th, 2021, the officers were dispatched to a DWI call. The officer were dispatched to a possible intoxicated driver call. The witness stated he observed the defendant to go in and out of lanes as well as making a turn on the highway, heavy traffic. The officers conducted a traffic stop. The officer observed the defendant to have glassy eyes, slurred speech, odor of an alcoholic beverage, and poor balance, and a order full of quiet, please, cold beer inside the vehicle. The FMSTs were conducted. It was a 6 out of 6 on the HEN, a 7 out of 8 on the walk and turn, and a 4 on like stand. The breath is a 0.15.
So according to the DIMS, which is the sworn statement that we use for PC, it just says the officers initiated a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle at an address. And there's no reason given in the DIMS for the stop.
She read something different.
That was
Yes.
not in the DIMS.
That seems to be from the offense report.
Sure, but I mean, what's,
But I thought for PC, we just used the DIMS because that was sworn to and not getting into the.
show me where it says that. I don't know of any rule that says that it's, PC has to be done on just the DIMS.
Okay.
You know, I don't, if you can direct me to something,
Okay.
but I've
And that just may
never,
be my misunderstanding of a
yeah,
policy.
I don't, and I've heard this before.
Okay.
Right, but I can't, I've never seen anything where someone has ever directed me to saying, hey, PC is only,
Well, it's
has to be just on the DIMS, you
because the
know?
DIMS is sworn and just like when Judge Powell was up here and he wanted to get into the facts, he couldn't.
I mean, if he's getting into the facts, then that's something different, right?
Well, and getting into.
Sworn document too.
The offense report's on a sworn document.
I mean, I guess, Your Honor, my thing is it's a public record that they're using DIMS taking the offense report. And also, I have never seen it where we have to rely solely on the DIMS for probable cause. It's probable cause. In fact, when we go to the grand jury,
You asking for a reset?
that's all offense report, that's all DIMS, it's everything that comes in, it's even evidence. And that's probable cause.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that, I mean, let's look, because I don't know, you know?
Okay. I'll stand
And
down.
I'll,
Go check with
sure.
Ms. Rogers.
Yeah, I would.
So you're saying that it doesn't, the DIMS has no reason for the stop, right? Is that what
Yes.
you're saying?
The sworn statement and speaking with Ms. Rogers, we're looking, but it's not,
And I'm looking to, I
okay.
am too.
There was a class action lawsuit and as part of the
Judge
settlement,
has the.
the agreement was that Harris County would use the DIMS to support
Okay,
PC, but we're getting that all together.
me too.
Okay.
For the 26th.
Was there a result for that?
Yes.
Or is it in action now?
No,
No, this was some time ago. So this was before the DIMS summaries had an oath or affirmation at the bottom of it. So there was a class action lawsuit brought by the Civil Rights Court. And out of that lawsuit, it was just allegations of Fourth Amendment violations because when a warrantless arrest occurs, the Fourth Amendment requires that a neutral magistrate make a finding of probable cause supported by oath or affirmation. So as a result of that lawsuit, Harris County settled and said, okay, we're not going to concede that we were violating the Fourth Amendment, but we will now include an oath or affirmation. So I think it is a Fourth Amendment issue.
I'm curious, so I'm curious, for PC purposes, can state use an offense report to supplement a DIMS, or are we strictly going in the four corners of the DIMS and nothing else? I don't know.
Well, the four corners of the DIMS is what's sworn to, the offense report is not.
I find that really weird. How is it that they're creating an offense report and they don't swear to it? You know, because there's in the offense report, you also have a search warrant. Like 9 times out of 10, you've got a blood search warrant, and that's sworn to.
That, Your Honor, if the officer makes something up into the offense report, he is committed a crime. So I mean, I don't say that the offense report is not sworn to. It's a government record that this officer is putting his name on. If he makes something up or if he lies about something, that is a crime.
Right, but filing a false government document is a different crime than perjury.
I get it, but
Wouldn't that be filing a false,
Right, but perjury's
an official document?
a different crime.
No, but it would also under the purview of filing a false, you know.
Well, Judge, if an
Filing a
officer
false-
came into court and was asking for you to sign a search warrant, and they just gave you their offense report, that would not be enough for their search warrant. And it's kind of the same idea. Because this is a warrantless arrest, there has to be someone swearing to the facts to support probable cause for that arrest. And similarly, with the search warrant, it has to be supported by oath or affirmation. This wasn't a warranted arrest, it was a warrantless arrest. And so it must be supported by probable cause. That includes an affidavit.
Was there blood in this case? Right. Okay, give me 5 minutes.
Okay.
and Your Honor, it's lawful.
Huh? Okay.
If it's okay with you, we'll take.
Can you show them?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
In court, details aren't technicalities, they're everything. If it's not sworn, it's not solid. And one missing line can set a defendant free